In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the Postman console log. Whether you're troubleshooting a request, checking what your scripts are doing, or tracking down an error, being able to open and read the console is essential. I'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and get exactly what you need. First, with the page open where you're working, right-click anywhere on the screen and choose Inspect, sometimes labeled Inspect Element. This opens your browser's developer tools, which is where the console lives. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, you can use that instead. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and I together. On a Mac, press Command, Option, and I. Either way, you'll bring up the same panel. Once the developer tools are visible, look for the Console tab along the top of that panel and click it. The Console tab is the stream of messages the page sends back, including logs, warnings, and errors. If you're using Postman in the browser, this is where you'll see console output produced by your requests and any scripts associated with them. Keep this panel open as you work so you can see messages appear in real time. As you make requests or trigger actions, watch the console populate. Errors are typically highlighted in red, warnings in yellow, and regular log messages in a neutral color. When something doesn't behave as expected, scan for red entries first. Many messages can be expanded to reveal more detail, so if you see a small arrow next to a line, click it to unfold objects, stack traces, or contextual data. This extra detail often points you directly to the issue, like a missing header, a malformed payload, or a script reference that didn't load. If you're not seeing anything at first, make sure you're on the Console tab, then try rerunning the action you're debugging. The console shows messages as they happen, so triggering the behavior again is a quick way to surface what you need. You can also keep the console visible while you navigate so you don't miss new output. When you're done, you can leave the console open while you continue working or close the developer tools to get back to a full view of the page. That's all there is to it. Open Inspect or use the shortcut and head straight to the Console tab. With this setup, you'll have a clear window into what's happening behind the scenes and a faster path to resolving issues.